Welcome back, YouTube, to the channel. My name is Chris, and today we're going to be checking out another case for the Google Pixel 6a. This case is on Amazon and available right now for $10. So it's the cheapest case that I've checked out to date at this point. This is the Silverback clear case and also includes a little finger ring. So bear with me while I get this opened up. Sorry for all the plastic noise. So this case, so this is a full TPU case here. Unlike the other two that I've checked out, I'll leave those up here. Both the Alba and the Crave case, those were TPU and a hard polycarbonate back. This is just fully polycarbonate and really not much to it. So the edges here are actually textured. They're frosted and textured, so it'll get a little bit more grip. And then each of the corners have a little bit extra material for drop protection and like an air cushion right in there. And then the finger ring here on the back can rotate. It looks like it's just attached via double-sided tape onto the back of the case. And there is your ring, so it's not going to fall out. The camera bump is fully covered, albeit except the camera and the flash. Those actually have cutouts. And initially when you open up the ring, it's a little stiff, but it opens right up and there's a little kind of lip for you to grip onto to get that Silverback branding right there in chrome. $10 on Amazon. I'll leave the link down in the description where you can pick that up. And here is the phone inside the case. This is actually a really compact TPU case. I actually, I'm not a fan of ring cases, but I actually like this because it doesn't make the phone feel so bulky. It still keeps that kind of compact feeling and kind of the roundedness of the size of the phone. And there is the amount of lip and gap on the front. I do have a tempered glass screen protector on this device, which I'll leave up here. You can check out. I do like this screen protector a lot. So there is just a little bit of a gap on the front for your screen protector. And then when you swipe in, you're going to just have a little bit of a different raised edge. So here is your ports. The buttons also feel really good. They're not textured either. And then there are the cutouts for your cameras and your flash. So they are actually centered and it works really well. So being a guy that doesn't really have fingernails, here is the ring, and you can rotate it like so and be able to watch videos if you're wanting. And if you have it up like this, it will actually stand up and strong enough to have it hold up any sort of position. Wow, I'm actually surprised. It's not like spring loaded, but it holds its position fairly well actually, depending on if you want a sort of angle or more flat like that, you can. Or if you want to have a more horizontal, I wish it kept the phone more upright, but that would cause the entire stand to be like this way. And this is a nice little compact ring here, and you can easily open that up. I actually like this. The color of the ring is chrome, but it's slightly different color from that silver, as you can see there. This is actually a really nice case for $10. I'm actually pleasantly surprised. If you guys have questions on these Silverback clear case, ring kickstand, case, absorbing bumper, so on and so forth, as Silverback puts in the description of Amazon, let me know down in the comments below and I'll answer them. But this is actually a great offering if you want a full TPU case. This actually feels really good. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care.